Yes, a very good morning, students. So today in your EVS class, you are going to study a new chapter. What your chapter number 2, caring for the physically challenged and elderly. So just at the top of your page on the right hand side corner, you are going to write a day. What is the day today? Today is Thursday. Just write the day above on the right hand side corner, and on the left hand side corner. On the right hand side corner you are going to write date. So the date is 8th 7 month means July 2021. So the chapter number 2 is caring for the physically challenged and elderly person. So can you see some pictures in your book? Yes, what you can see, a girl is helping her father, or it can be anyone. So he's not able to see and he is helping him. And on the next page you can see a boy is wearing hearing aid. वो कुछ पहना हुआ है. So it is hearing aid. जिनको सुनाई नहीं देता है, who are not able to hear, those deaf people wear this hearing aid. And see in this picture, that girl is making some sign so that another girl get what he or she is speaking. So when you speak in sign language, the other person to whom you are showing, जिसको आप sign बता रहे हो, वो यदि सुन नहीं बोल नहीं पाता है, so she is a dumb person. Okay. And in the third picture you are seeing a boy sitting on a try chair or a wheelchair. He's not able to walk. Okay. So physically challenged means the parts of a body that are not working and they are not able to work with those parts of the body. So they are known as physically challenged person. So do you know or do you remember? So what you will learn in this chapter, physically challenged people looking after elderly people. Elderly means your elder people. Okay. So read the clues and answer. I cannot see. You can see something is written in the jumble words. I cannot see. The person who cannot see is known as blind. Second, I cannot speak. The person who cannot speak is known as dumb. Okay. The person who cannot hear, जिसको सुनाई नहीं दे सकता, is known as deaf. I help you if you have poor eyesight. If we are having poor eyesight, we wear glasses. Those glasses are known as spectacles. So you are going to write this in your book. Okay, now I'm going to read the chapter. God has gifted us with a wonderful body. Each part of a body performs a specific function. Life can be very difficult if any part of the body does not function properly. So God has gifted us a very wonderful body. We are able to hear with our ears, we are able to see with our eyes, we are able to speak with our mouth, and we are able to walk with our legs and we are able to perform some work with our hands. ठीक है, भगवान ने हमको बहुत ही अच्छी बॉडी दी है. ठीक है, हम आँखों से देख सकते हैं, कानों से सुन सकते हैं, हाथों से किसी काम को कर सकते हैं, पैरों से चल सकते हैं. ओके. And if any of these part doesn't work, so it is very difficult for us to survive. ओके. यदि इसमें से हमारा कोई पार्ट वर्क नहीं करता है, सो इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है बच्चे सर्वाइव करना. ठीक है. ओके. फिजिकली चैलेंज्ड people who are unable to use a particular part of the body are called physically challenged. I told you that if you are not able to use एनी पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, आप आपकी बॉडी का कोई भी पार्ट नहीं यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, सो दे आर नोन एज फिजिकली चैलेंज्ड पीपल. सम पीपल आर नॉट एबल. कोई कोई पीपल ऐसे होते हैं जो अब किसी भी बॉडी का उनका पार्ट नहीं काम करता है, या वो देख नहीं पाते हैं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू हियर, या दे आर नॉट एबल टू सी, या वो सुन नहीं पाते हैं, देख नहीं पाते. सो दोज पर्सन आर नोन एज फिजिकली चैलेंज्ड और differently abled people. Okay. For example, our eyes help us to see things around us, but some people cannot see. हम देख सकते हैं पर कोई कोई people ऐसे होते हैं जो नहीं देख सकते. Okay, they are called blind. What those people are called which are not able to see? They are called as blind. Okay, people who cannot see properly wear spectacles that are made by opticians. Opticians are the person, see, someone who examine people eye, sell glasses and contact lenses to correct vision problem. Means the opticians are those which help us to they check our eyesight. वो हमारी eyesight check करते, then prepare a spectacle and glasses for us. हमारी eyesight check करके हमारे लिए चश्मा बनाते. Spectacles means चश्मा. Okay, so we are able to see with our eyes, but there are some people who are not able to see. कोई कोई people होते हैं जो नहीं देख पाते, so they are called as blind. Okay, okay. Now come to this one. Blind people use a special system to read and write. It is called braille. So this picture is given for a braille. Okay, the people who are not able to see, so they study with this help of braille. उनके लिए एक braille की format होता है. So this system is, they are able to read and write. With the help of these braille, they are able to read and write. Okay, it is a form of spirit with raised dot. People who cannot see can feel the raised letters on the paper with their fingers. Okay, if someone is not able, if someone is blind, यदि वो देख नहीं पाता है, so they use this kind of braille, and these braille are a form of raised dot. ये ना ऐसी उभरी हुई सी dots रहती हैं. They just drag their fingers like this and they recognize the letter, then they write. Okay, वो ऐसे finger अपनी drag करते हैं ये braille पे और वो उभरी हुई रहती है तो उनको पता चल जाता है वो letter कौन सा बना है. Okay, do you know each year second Thursday of October is celebrated as World Sight Day. Every year second Thursday मतलब second Thursday of October is celebrated as World Sight Day. Okay. Our ears help us to hear different types of sound. Okay, we have our ears. Our ears help us to listen different types of sound. Some people cannot hear at all. कुछ person बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको बिल्कुल भी सुनाई, they are not able to hear at all. They are called as deaf. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? They are known as deaf. The person who are not able to hear, they are known as deaf. Some people have difficulty in hearing. They use hearing aids to hear properly. Some people who have difficulty, जिनको बहुत मतलब हल्का हल्का सुनाई देता है, very less they can hear, they wear this kind of hearing aid. बोलते हैं ना कान की मशीन. So this is that. They wear hearing aid to hear properly, अच्छे से सुनने के लिए. Okay. Some people are unable to speak. There are some people who are unable to speak. कोई लोग बोल नहीं पाते. They are called as dumb. The person who are not able to speak, they are known as dumb. Okay. Deaf or dumb people communicate with special sign language. Again, deaf. Deaf means the person who are not able to hear. जो सुन नहीं पाते हैं और बोल नहीं पाते हैं, जो बोल नहीं पाते हैं उनको बोलते हैं dumb. So the person who is deaf or dumb, they communicate with sign language. They use sign language to communicate. Okay, it helps them to express themselves and understand what others are saying by observing the movement of hands and facial expression. So by this sign language they express their feeling. Okay, to the one who are to whom they are speaking. वो ये sign language use करके जिनसे वो बात कर रहे हैं उनको बता देते हैं कि वो क्या बोलना चाहते हैं. Okay, सेम वे विद डेफ पीपल ऑल्सो. जो सुन नहीं पाते वो मतलब एक्शंस, दे डू एक्शंस. ओके, केयर फॉर फिजिकली चैलेंज पीपल. यस बच्चे, वी शुड ऑलवेज केयर फॉर फिजिकली चैलेंज पीपल. हमें उनकी हंसी नहीं, वी शुड नॉट लाफ एट देम. ओके, वी शुड ऑलवेज हेल्प देम. सी, always help them, never make fun of them. Yes, we should never make fun of physically challenged people. Okay, yes, God has gifted us so wonderful body. We should be thankful to God, but to whom they have not given, जिनको नहीं मिली है उनको हमें मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. Never let them feel depressed. हमें उनको मजाक उड़ा के डिप्रेशन में नहीं देना चाहिए. Okay, treat them with equal to other people and let them live with dignity. Okay, dignity means quality of being worthy to respect. उनको हमेशा रिस्पेक्ट प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए. Okay, take out some time for them. For example, you can read books and magazines to a blind person. Okay, if you know someone who is not able to read, वो read नहीं कर पाते, or he or she is blind, so just read a book or magazines for him, so he will feel happy. Be friendly to them. Okay, now turn your page. There are many organizations that help physically challenged people. Try to be a part of these organizations. So yes, बच्चे, there are many charity and organization which help these people to live their life. ऐसी बहुत सारी charities होती हैं, organization होते हैं जो इस इन physically challenged people को रखते हैं और उनको help करते हैं. Okay, to spend their life. So take the correct answer and cross the out wrong one. We should make fun of physically challenged people. No. Put a cross. People who cannot hear are called deaf. Yes. जो सुन नहीं पाते उनको deaf बोलते हैं. Braille is a system that helps in hearing. No. Braille is a system that helps in for deaf people. Sorry, blind people, they use Braille for study. So just put a cross. Braille helps blind people to read and write. Yes. Put a tick. People who cannot speak are called dumb. Yes. Okay. Looking after elderly people. Elderly people means your grandparents, grandmother who are old now. Okay, वो जो बूढ़े हो गए. Okay, our elders become slow and physically weak with age. ठीक है, our grandparents, you might have seen your grandparents and grandmothers that as they are growing, their age is increasing, they are becoming physically weak. वो मतलब उनकी एज के अकॉर्डिंग उनको देखो पैर में they get ache in their legs. Okay, उनको पैर में प्रॉब्लम होने लग जाती है. They are not able to hear properly. उनको सुनाई भी कम देने से लग जाती है. So we should help them. हमें उनकी help करना चाहिए. Okay, elderly people have poor vision. Yes, I told you they are not able to see properly and are not able to hear properly. Yes, they are not able to hear properly. They need our love, support, care and affection. Yes, they need our love. हमें उनको प्यार, एक affection देना चाहिए कि हम उनको help कर सकते हैं. Okay, we should always love and respect elderly people. Yes, you should always, never you should do that. Okay, you should always love and elderly people. You should always help them. Yes, you should spend some time with them. हमें कुछ time उनके साथ बिताना चाहिए. Okay, we should take them to the doctor when they are sick or unwell. Yes, you should always take them to the doctor when they are not feeling well. Okay, we should go for a walk with them. Yes, every evening, or your schools are not open, so morning time also you should take for a walk to them. Okay, we should read newspaper or magazines to them. Yes, if your elder grandparents are not able to read, so you should read them some magazines and newspaper for them, so they will feel happy. Okay, we should never hurt their feelings. Yes, should never hurt their feelings. Okay, never ever. Okay, write any 2 ways of looking after elderly people. You can just go through these points and you have to write by your own. Okay, here we finish our chapter. So it's my humble request to you all to read your chapter once. एक बार आपको chapter खुद से read करना है. Okay, after reading you will get what is there. Okay, आप उसको रीड करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि चैप्टर के अंदर बच्चे है क्या. सो रीड योर चैप्टर एंड वाइल कॉपिंग योर नोट्स यू शुड राइट इन अ वेरी गुड एंड ब्यूटिफुल हैंड राइटिंग. जब आप आपके नोट्स लिखते हैं तो आपको बिल्कुल अच्छे से और ब्यूटिफुल हैंड राइटिंग में लिखना है, गंदा बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. ओके, यू विल बी गेटिंग मार्क्स ऑन योर नोटबुक. आपके नोटबुक पे और प्रॉपर वर्क पे आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे एंड यू नो दैट. ओके, so have a nice day and you have to read your book, and soon your question answers will be uploaded on your group. Okay, thank you.